Good day, this is Graham Bibby here from the Insiders Club. It's the 1st of November 2013, and today I want to take you through some of my PEG hot list. That's my companies that are growing faster than the overall stock market. The earnings growth of those companies is faster, anything from 50% higher to as much as 300% higher. And instead of the PE ratio being at a premium to the market, it's at a discount to the market. So these stocks are really undervalued. I just want to take you through what's been happening over the last week. So, one of the top risers last night was Boeing, and I've got a chart of it here. And if you look on the screen, there's a pointer pointing to the name Boeing. And this is the chart going back to November 2011. This year shows the breakout in the stock. At the beginning of the year, the stock was 75, it's now 130, so it's well on its way to 100%, and last night it was quite a good night. It was up 0.63 and it's reached a new high. Quite pleased with that. One of the recent additions to the portfolio was Manitex International. Now this stock is really undervalued. It's yet to be performing. It broke out of this sideways range, and if we want to, while we're online here, I'll just show you how to put some simple trend lines. And bearing in mind a trend line is only to show you what's happening with supply and demand. So, we had a situation with this stock where it was basically in a trading range here. And now it broke out. The stock gave a buy and a huge move up, and then as you would expect, the more we move up, the more we correct back, and I would expect this point here now to be the point of which support must hold, because we've got the equivalent of a bottom in place. Sorry, that's not done very well. Let's just do that again. Excuse me. Yeah, that would be the bottom there, and we really wouldn't expect it to fall below 1250, which was about its low yesterday, and I would sincerely expect that stock to move up today. EPAN, another great stock that we've been holding. It was 20 earlier this year, it's 37, had a little bit of a correction, but it's up again last night. I would expect 36.5 to be the bottom there. Ulta Salon Cosmetics and Fragrances, a new high. This was signaled, a buy signal on this breakout. So just over a month ago, it was somewhere in the region of 115. It's now 128. It's about 12%. The stock's looking great. This is Delta Airlines. Surprises some people, the strength of the airline stocks. But this stock, the beginning of the year was 12. It's already up 100%, and the stock is at or near a new high. Now, what's interesting is when you look at the Dow Jones, what's been happening here? Well, basically since May, it's been trading sideways. So our stock portfolio is moving a lot higher. Oh dear, seem to be having problems with this at the moment. Let's just delete that. Let's just try this again. Okay, this stock is largely been, just above that support level, and in fact, it seems like the resistance now is here at this level. It's having real difficulty moving above there. So even though the market's moving sideways, our stocks are at or near new highs. Affiliated Managers has been very, very cheap. Beginning of the year it was about 130, it's 197. This is the recent buy. It's in the heavy construction industry. Activist is also a recent buy, and that had a very strong week. It's risen from about 145 to 154, so that's about 7%. That's very nice. This one's in the education and training services. Again, from 10 days ago it was 24, now it's 26. It's up, nearly 8%. It's looking very good. Gilead Sciences is at a new high. Just towards the beginning of October it was 60, it's 71. It's nearly up 20%. pharmaceuticals as a whole took a bit of a hit, and Valiant Pharmaceuticals, you know, last night dropped to 102.6, and recovered to 105.72, and I'm hoping that's what they call a a reverse move, that the bottom should be in for that stock. And portfolio recovery also dropped to 57.53 at one stage, recovered to 59.45. So overall, I think our stocks continue to look very, very good. The markets themselves and earnings growth seem to be still outperforming. So I'm looking forward to a strong end to this year, and I'm very optimistic about next year. And I have some really exciting new stocks to tell the Insiders Club about, which will probably come during or towards the end of last year. So anyone listening from the Insiders Club, have a great weekend, and I look forward to giving some new buy signals next week. Thank you very much.